How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, and this one, and this one. Dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. So a lot of influencers or AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here Hygiene is an AI based tool that you can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options. To get started, you can just click which one you want, and then you will sign up by entering your email and verification code, and then you answer for a few questions. Then after finishing your web or your inscription, you'll have this home page. This is the recent video that I choose, and here we have hygiene learning guide. We have here to add AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, and video translation, and then we have templates if you want to choose one. And here we have, if we scroll down, we have here avatars, that mean characters. So to choose your own character, you can just click over here, video avatar. As you can see here, we have three options. So we have here instant avatar, photo avatar, studio avatar. So all you have to do is click over here, and as you can see here, we have various characters, various avatar. So you'll choose the one suits you, and then you will start creating your video. So let's, for example, select that one. So to start, you can, or to create video with this character, you can just click over here and choose the landscape if you want to start with YouTube. So let's click over here, and as you can see, so here we have, if you want to add in your script, the only thing you have to do is click over here and type your script and choose the voice you want by clicking on which one suits you more. For example, let's
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's see another one.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
So you will choose the voice you want, and then you will start creating your own video. So let's see the example that I make just to more understand. So this is the one that I make. Let's start it.
AI influencers are equipped with advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, allowing them to interact with users in real time, understand context, and generate personalized responses.
So this is how you can get started to create your own character, and you can start getting money. So you can change, for example, the place of your AI character, or if you want to add it, for example, another one, you can just click over here, and then you will add your script. You can also, for example, make your voice speed, or for example, you can translate it, or you can delete it if you want to add it another one. and then you will start your own video. So it's simple. You can create your own character, and then you will start your videos on YouTube or you on your channel. So there's a lot of ideas. You can start with your AI character on your YouTube channel, for example, affiliate marketing through a platform like, for example, impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms on how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships. Affiliates can earn commission on sales generated through their referral links, provided an additional revenue stream. Or you can just creating a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can just define your topic and then you start scripting, and you select an AI influencers by creating a character on hygiene.com, and then you will create a compelling video, or you can then create a compelling video guide using an AI influencer to educate and engage your audience effectively. Or you can start in with another platform for affiliate marketing. So it depends on what you want in your YouTube channel. So to more understand for a video guide, you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will start scripting, as I mentioned before. Write a script for your video guide. Outline the key points you want to cover, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So then you will select AI influencer, as I said, by choosing your own character, and then you can start as a YouTuber. So there's other options or other various options available to create your digital avatars or AI voice assistants. So you can select a character that best fits the tone and style of your video guide. So it depends on what you want and what is your content in your channel. So this is the steps, guys, and this is how we can start as or starting on social media by using an AI influencer and start making money. So there's a lot of ways to earn money using AI characters. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.